Hey guys, it's Christy here. So today I finally got my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I'm so excited for it, and as I open it, it's all nicely placed in there. Okay, so I just got it today, so I'm so excited to try it and unbox it. Come on, somebody wants to be in the video. Okay, so let's do this. Put my glasses on. Okay, so it says Wild Side, November 2019. Oh my god. Navia, get. Okay, she wants to go on the table. No, go down, down, down. Come on, go down, please. Ooh, okay. Stay there, okay? So it's just, it says that, and then it just has all the items inside. It says Explore 5 Glam Bag Plus products worth 120 plus. And it prepare to swipe on something new. Okay, so first, let's see what it has here. Let's grab this. So first, I'm just gonna try it on as we pull it out. So this one is BELLE and ARGENT. BELLE and ARGENT. That's the name of it. And it says that it is a cream lip color in smoky on screen. Okay, this is $26. So somebody wants to jump on my lap, but we're not gonna let her. Okay, so this is made in the USA, yay! And this is the color. So this is the item that I chose for my box, because I didn't see anything else that I liked, so I did like, look at that, it's so pretty. The color is pretty. I don't really have any makeup on now because I was gonna try on the makeup that I have in there. I really love the packaging, it's so cute. Ooh, look at that. And I love this color. But it looks nice on here, so let's just give it a swipe on my lips. Sometimes I wish it was as dark as the lip color there, but when it's on my lip it's different, but I still like it. That's kind of what colors I always tend to go for, is these here. So I just got my camera a little bit high today because I couldn't find anywhere else to put it for now. Okay, and the next item that I do have, it says makeup. Okay, let's try that one last. I'm gonna try pull out the GIGI Gorgeous. It's the only blush duo in Authentic and Pride. I was excited to try this. Okay, so this one retails for $24. So it's gonna be hard to take it out, so I just rip up the box because I'm not gonna put it back. Oh, there, I got it. I'm not gonna put it back in there. So I just put on some foundation. It's at night here. I wasn't gonna do it, but then I'm like, oh, I got bored, so I figured, well, may as well do it. Ooh, look at that, it's so pretty. I like it. Ooh, look at that. I know you guys may have seen it already, but that's beautiful. Let's try and test it out on my face there. So let's gonna do the blush. I think that's nice. I know, like, my glasses is in the way, but I just did the blush one and I tried it on there, so I can see it on there. When I'm swatching it on my hand, it's very faint, so it's not that pigmented on my hand, but it does go on my, you see that? It's pretty. And for the lipstick, I really like matte lipsticks, because when I'm using this kind of lipstick, it's all over my teeth, whatever, but it'll do, and I like the color, it's very pretty. Okay, so the GIGI Gorgeous was $24 retail. Next item I popped out is a ILLAMASQUA Hydra Veil Primer. I don't even know if I said it correctly, but it's this one here, and it's a veil primer. It's the ultimate time saver. Hydra veil is both a hydrating and a primer. Hydrator and primer instantly moisturizes and smoothing your skin in one simple step. Hopefully it works great on my skin, because I do have oily skin. So, ooh, it's so cute. Look at that. This is a pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna open it because I'm not too sure if I'm gonna use it. I may give it to someone else, because for my face I really do need a matte kind of products, or at least a primer. And this is made in Thailand. Nice. Okay, let's not forget this pretty bag. It's big. It'll fit all these stuff inside maybe. So let's just put that in there for now. Okay, and for the primer, it's $45 retail. Okay, next item I got is a Makeup Geek. It's a highlighter in Starlight, and that retails for $20. Okay, this is actually the first Makeup Geek I have, I should say. Okay. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's pretty. And then it's in this color. Let's just kind of swatch it. Ooh, that's nice. Let's kind of put that on. Let's try to test it on my. You guys see that? That's pretty nice. See that now? Look, my nose is like shiny bright now. Okay, let me pick her up real quick because she's my sweetie pie. Yeah? Look at her. Okay, so we just have one more to go, Navea, okay? And then this one is $20. And last but not least, I got the Ciate, if that's how you guys say it. London Courtney Axe Stamp and Drag Liner. So let's see, because I don't hardly do any wing makeup. And look at the packaging, it's pretty. It looks nice. Everybody's doing their eyes. It has her in the back. Nice. Okay. So if any of you beauty lovers likes beauty videos, then I promise I'll try to do at least one makeup video per week. Maybe I like to actually do foundation videos, because that's what I really am into, is foundations, because I just like to have my face like one color. So I just like foundations. I hardly play with the eyeshadow and stuff, but for you I will do it. And for you, my partner over here. Okay, so I don't know, let me go and see if I can do this, okay? But it does have like a, I think this is cute. It has just a regular line there. And on this side, it has the stamp. Let me go and try and do it first. Okay guys, So I did like a little stamp there. It's hard because I have like the double lid going on, but you see that I can just get away with that. Nah, I don't know. Okay, let's try the other side. Okay, let's try and see how that works. See, the makeup is coming together through all these things that I did use, and somebody is gonna make me mess up over here. Not gonna mention her name. Okay, let me go in this way first, okay? Okay, let's kind of like let it dry first, because once I lift it up, it'll be all over my eye. Let me just close this for now. Hey, you relax, sister. Trying to growl and stuff. You know what? I really liking this. I had to get my water because I'm like gonna choke right now. Okay, so this liner is, what is it? I can't even see. Isn't that terrible? What is that number there? I think it's $18. But I like that. It's, look, I like it. Now I can do some wings and stuff. I thought this would be harder to use, but it's actually easy. I think the one on that I'm doing now, it's not the right, it's a little bit off the way I centered it, but I'm really liking this little pen here. Wow, I did not know that it would be that easy. Yeah, I think I can work with this instead of making my own lines and stuff. But yes, so I think I know I'm happy with my Ipsy Glam bag this month, especially with this liner here, and I like this too, these two, this one, because I really like the matte lipsticks. And this, we'll see how that works. So if you guys have any questions, or I'll let you guys know if I do use it, that how it works and stuff. But yes, I really am happy with my order, and I fed her like 2 times already. She still wants to eat. Okay guys, so that would be the end of my video for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm really enjoying that liner. I really like that. Okay, so see you guys in my next video, and hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and see you next time. Bye.